That side, I'll go up the other side of the one.
How much higher? Someone grab the wheel, see much higher.
A lot higher.
Stig, you're going the other way, you're wrong.
But all tickets
Someone
is.
grab the fucking wheel and have a look out.
Stig, you're going down, you fucking header.
What, go down?
Yeah, right this tight.
That way.
Clockwise.
Well, everyone get on there. Just take out to this also. That's bullshit.
Stig's got the right idea. It's more
You
leverage.
can lift that.
You
No problem.
fucking add too much drugs. If you fucking...
Can I just say, right? When Heidi turned up,
Just
she
hold
was
that.
on her own, it was raining, I was lying on my back on the floor.
I appreciate that.
Nobody else was there.
I appreciate that. The right idea. But you know what the okay man is, right?
One
We
thing
all
is-
agreed that if you just reverse on the fucking flat, the jack would have gone up higher.
And what I'm saying is, put your phone in your pocket and watch this. And you lift that and I'll go in.
Whoa,
Don't lift the car, put the fucking jack to it. How much higher?
Loads higher, mate. About 3 inches, mate.
And then you take your higher.
Right, get on there. Get those arms on in, mate.
You gotta rock onto.
I ain't gonna go, mate. Too fucking much.
Then well, there's loads left in that. That jack goes up till it's like
And
that.
then they take it
No,
higher.
that's not gonna go 3 inches.
I'll bet you £1,000.
You gotta rock
Get on
onto
there, fucking
the
hell.
car and down and you shouldn't.
Big moves, I'll wind it in my arm.
That jack's not
And then they'll take it higher.
We won't, it'll go right up.
fucking tell you, right? Full of shit.
Stig, let me get on there and wind it like that.
Yeah, I know you can wind it.
Come on, boys, you said.
But
you
no
know,
one else
all
would
that
have
arm,
fucking
right?
do it today. Like,
But if we just pulled it off his paper, it would be
probably,
good.
yeah.
Oh,
Wouldn't it?
Stig,
I know you can wind it.
Of course, Nick, boy. Got an inch
yeah,
and a
but
half
Stig
there,
will be
mate.
quicker.
I know.
Got an inch and a half there, see?
Ben, do you reckon it'll be quicker?
What?
go on, try and get it up in now.
Why did you run first place though?
You on it is? Time?
You won't-
Stig,
you
Stig,
won't- you won't.
Stig, let Di have a go. Di, get on it. We've got about 1.2 there, Nick. About 1.2. Go on, get it going. Go on, keep going.
Yes,
Yeah, keep going, keep going. We're going it. We're getting it. We're getting it. We're getting it. Alright, it's nearly there. Off our left, off our left, off our left, mate. Off our left, off our left.
Almost,
Whoa.
almost, almost.
There,
Oh,
there.
it's there, get it in.
That's what your mum said, isn't it?
I go a bit more.
Get it in.
Go on, one more.
Five, isn't it?
There. That's it. Right, that's it. Listen, get those nuts away there.
Talk about fucking, I'm a celebrity, get me out of here.
You be fucking, I'm a fucking undertaker. Oh my god.
Ah, she done it.
Oh my god. I'll knock you right for a minute. See, I'm older there.
Bottom is squint.
No, you put one up there. You go the opposite side. When you put nothing.
Yeah, I know, but
Yeah, don't fucking like that. Just put nothing in there.
bottom is squint, Ben.
The fucking bottom's in there. No, listen, the opposite. Yeah,
No, no, they're getting it on, they're getting it on, they're getting it on.
Shut the fuck up.
It's nearly there, it's nearly there.
Yeah, you can put it fast.
Nearly there. Yeah, there we go. 3 bolts.
Right.
Ben, what's your way when you get on?
Ooh. So what's that?
Look at my pipe.
Twist the bolts in.
Should be fucking donut.
Come on, Mike, tell him. Right, if you want me to punch it for you, I'm quite happy to.
Naomi Kill.
Sorted. Yeah, there we go. Twist them up.
Just talk of it.
Yeah. Twist them up.
Yeah? Well, just use a back end now.
I think it's maximum speed 50
Who's the
with
put one?
those tyres.
Yeah, what? The original?
Yeah, maximum, yeah?
Yeah.
50, yeah?
You know,
These can
50,
do over 30. Oh yeah, you're only allowed 20 round here in Wales, isn't it?
you know, fucking 50, alright? On top of your forehead, it'd be fucking great.
Ben, they're loose.
Listen, we're going to go so far. Do the opposite, right? Don't fucking tighten the fucking...
I'm
Don't tighten one up
I'm
before you
not.
rest.
What's your leg? What's your leg?
Go over the leg. Put others in.
I swear to God, right? You keep your finger twice.
So, God, in a minute, I'm going to fucking actually unzip and fill your mouth.
That's cross-threading.
Is that cross-threading?
That's a good one. That's a good one. That one there.
Not cross-threading.
Still worried about that one at the top there that you first done because that looks a
don't
little
go
bit
off it
off.
off, is it?
Yeah. I think that might come off.
Flop it out, like.
Wait until I get a pinch.
He tried
You'll have a
that,
pinch in a
yeah,
minute.
done it right.
Yeah.
What's your leg?
Yeah.
Done. It's pinched. What's your leg?
Say, move your leg, Ben, a bit.
Listen, James, I'm going to smack you right up the road in a minute.
Oh, I don't care.
Look, what?
I'm just trying to help you with the car wheel.
Oh, it's very kind of you, mate. Thank you very much. But also, like I've always said to you, you never know when to shut your mouth.
No, I know that.
That's why I always try to help you out before you get beaten up.
That's what everybody says to me.
You're fucking right, mate. Start fucking listening then. I'm very kind and I appreciate what you're doing. But if you speak one more time, I'm going to have to slit your throat. I'll give you a penalty.
Is it my two knees going?
And if David would have listened about fighting 40 minutes ago, he just pulled the camera on the flat, it would have gone in seconds. But you know, Phil, he's set in his ways.
Benjamin.
Hey, Phil. Oh, look at that wetness. Oh, it's short. It's cut short as well. Feel that?
Oh,
I'm going to semi. I'm going to go for man.
that was a semi on, was it, Ben?
What? Yeah, tell you, man.
Yeah.
He likes that. He does.
Oh, well.
Go on, man. Stop, man. Next one down, bro. Next one down. Go left. No, you missed one.
Top right.
No.
There, yeah, that's the one. That's the one.
There, that's the one.
Yeah, that's the one.
I haven't been putting it at all.
Top right, mate. No.
Shut the fuck up.
Yeah, it's that one there that needs doing. Above that one.
I'm going over here, so I don't have to be James.
Above that one. Above that one. Just about, no, that one there. Hey, that one there. That's the one there. There. That needs tightening. That's it. That's the pocket. Yeah. Yeah. Oh, he's doing it pro. He's doing it pro now. I saw that. Did like Formula 1 driver at the last bit.
There's a chopsy cunt that had everything to say, no wind that jack down.
Oh, now wind the jack down. Come on, who's winding the jack down?
What, I get over you fucking
No
blow.
kickers, you fannies.
Oh, right. That's what keep the torch here.
All right,
See, Nigel Farage didn't know how to do this. I'm a celebrity, get me out of here, did he? You know what I mean? Yeah? The way he ended up, third place, wasn't it?
I can see a bag working then. I can see a
That
bag.
old Sammy boy, you know, the smile in the chat, he came first. Wonder who
It's
would
fucking
be
day. This
him.
is fucking late.
Oh,
This
this
is
is
day, innit?
It would be James, Mr. Brandon. Oh, hey! Oh, hell, the champion, champion, the champion. Oh, hell, the champion, the champions. We help.